Weddings are supposed to be perfect, right? White dress, happy tears, smooth vows. But if we are talking about Georgie and Mandy, come on. You know this first marriage isn't just about flowers and cake. It's about drama, chaos and a twist that could flip their whole future upside down. What's up fam? Welcome back to Primeflix TV, the place where we don't just watch the story, we break down every messy, emotional, can you believe it moment. Let's talk about Georgie and Mandy's first marriage. Alright, quick recap. Before we dive into the madness, we watched Georgie stumble through young adulthood in young Sheldon, the goofy big brother turned accidental dad when Mandy entered the picture. And from the moment she showed up, sparks flew, but not the easy kind. More like the kind that burns, crash and somehow still leave you wanting more. Mandy wasn't just another love interest. She challenged Georgie. She made him grow and Georgie had to man up fast from awkward jokes to real responsibilities. The dynamic was messy, unpredictable, but also so real. Now here's we are. Staring down the barrel of their wedding, Georgie and Mandy saying, I do. But come on, do you really think it's gonna be that simple? Here's where the hype comes in. People are whispering about a wedding twist. Could family drama erupt right in the middle of their vows? We know the Coopers never stay quiet. Imagine Sheldon dropping in truth bombs or Mary Paul pulling on with these protective mom moves that changes the vibe instant. And what about Mandy? She's not the type to play picture perfect bride. Is she walking down the aisles fully confident or second guessing whether Georgie is really ready for the weight of marriage and fatherhood? Now, here's a crazy therapy that's got people buzzing about. First marriage might not even last. Yeah, I said it. The way it's being framed, it sounds like this wedding could set the stage for more ups and downs, maybe even breakups and reconciliations. It's not just about the I do, it's about everything that comes after. Think about it. Georgie's still figuring out who he is. Mandy's strong, independent with dreams of her own. When those two worlds clash, will love be enough to hold them together? Or will the marriage test them harder than anything they've ever faced so far? And let's not forget the backdrop. With the spin-off already confirmed, this marriage is basically the launch pad for the new series. That means the wedding could end with a cliffhanger. Maybe a shocking confession, maybe a fight, maybe even a surprise twist about the future that none of us saw coming. So yeah, this isn't just about rings and vows, this is about whether Georgie can finally grow into the man he's supposed to be. And whether Mandy is willing to stick around for the ride or not. Here's the deal, Georgie and Mandy's wedding might be their first shot at forever. But forever in the Cooper universe never comes that easy. And that's exactly why we are all hooked here. Stick with me here on Primeflix TV where we hype it, break it and live every twist with you. Smash that like button, drop your wildest theories in the comments below, and in this family, no wedding is ever drama free. So catch you in the next one.